Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I just got a delivery of plants and I want to unbox them with you. These are from Walter's Gardens. So they are Proven Winner Perennials. Oof, let's see what we got. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 new plants. Let's pop this open and see what's in here. We are trying to beat the rain. It is sprinkling on me right now. So let's pop these open. Oof. Ooh. Here's how they arrive. All right, let's pull this first. I see some pretty blooms in here. Yay, can't wait. All right. This looks very herby. Catwalk Queen Nepeta. So cute. Yes, smells like Nepeta. Gorgeous. So this is a full sun perennial. Gets 10 to 12 inches tall. We've got Rays for Days, Heliopsis. Here she is. Gorgeous foliage. This one's a little bit beat up. That can happen in shipment. Gorgeous. Summerific Holy Grail Hibiscus. These are so beautiful. Look at those blooms and dark foliage. Gorgeous. Next up, ooh. This one doesn't have a tag, but it looks like Rudbeckia. So let me check the list. Rudbeckia Treasure Trove. Look at those leaves. Gorgeous. Rudbeckia Treasure Trove. Be gentle with this. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay. I'll find a good way to pull this one out. Let me show you. There's the pot. Finally reached it. Come on. Woo. Gorgeous. Look at this. White diamonds. Isn't that beautiful? Dicentra. Look at those blooms. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Next. This looks like another Nepeta. Lemon Purrfection Nepeta. Lemon Purrfection. Look at that. Chartreuse color foliage. It's gorgeous. Smells good. Here's the other Nepeta, just to show you the difference in color. This one's Catwalk Queen, and this one is Lemon Purrfection. This looks like a Delphinium. Yep, this is Violets Are Blue Delphinium. Gorgeous. Look at this. I can't smell anything, but it's gorgeous. I love the leaf shape. Beautiful. Violets are blue. Oh no. Broken stem. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I love this foliage. Cotton ball. This is Thalictrum. Cotton ball Thalictrum. But look at the foliage. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Look at underneath the stems. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I love that. Gorgeous. I think I'm saying it right. Thalictrum. Thalictrum cotton ball. It's beautiful. All right, let's put it over here. We've got one more. Oh, this one was in sideways. This is Dragon Slayer. Gorgeous. Dragon Slayer. Adam's Needle. Yucca. Look at that. I have a yucca in my garden somewhere. Gorgeous. This has a really great structure. Look at that. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Yucca Dragon Slayer. And I like in the color, it looks like it has a more blue, silvery blue foliage, and that will probably develop over time. Because right now it looks a lot more green than silvery than blue. But look at that. Gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the new 2026 perennials from Proven Winners. Thank you, Proven Winners. Thank you, Walters Gardens, for sending them out and allowing me to trial them in my garden. I garden in Zone 6A, Ohio, and I'm so excited. I have not had a Delphinium in my garden probably in the last like 2 years, so I'm happy to have another one in the garden this year. So exciting. I actually really like delphiniums. I've grown them from seed, and I've also purchased them from the store, but it has been a while since I actually bought one. So I'm happy to have it back. And a lot of these are just plants that I already love. Right here, I love Rudbeckia. I have several different Rudbeckias in the garden. I do have one of these Yuccas somewhere. I think it's actually like behind the chicken run. It's kind of concealed, so I don't really get over behind there a ton to oh, there goes my Yucca. That's how it's doing. It's kind of like one of those plants that's just like tucked in the back that you don't really notice it. This guy is going to get a spot where I can keep an eye on it for sure. Nepeta. I actually really like Nepeta. I had a couple of the cat's pajamas, and I don't know exactly where they went. I think I might have replanted them somewhere else. That's another plant that I need to go look for. But it was a couple years ago and I scored a ton of them on clearance. And so I planted a bunch of them in the garden, and then I had them out front. But then I remember having to move them. I moved a bunch of plants and planted them someplace else. They're probably behind the chicken coop too, because this is pre ginormous chicken run activity. So they are probably back there. And we've got the summerific Holy Grail. Love hibiscus. I have a couple Proven Winners hibiscus, but this reminds me I need to check the one that they sent last year, which was so incredibly gorgeous. Here is Rays for Days. This is going to have that beautiful yellow bloom on it. This is the false sunflower, and it is really cute. I do like the foliage on this, even though it's super, super tiny. I love that. The newer foliage coming in extra bright and then turning a darker green as it ages. I love that. Our Dicentra, of course, which is gorgeous. Lemon Purrfection, beautiful. I love chartreuse in the garden. It adds like an extra pop of color without having to have a bloom. So obviously these do bloom a beautiful flower, but when it's just foliage, it's gorgeous all on its own. It's a pop of chartreuse amidst the sea of green. This plant here, I love the structure of this. I love how it grows. I love the skinny stems, and then you've got these big thin leaves. I love the shape of the leaf. I love the texture. It's just gorgeous to me. So I can't wait to see this plant in bloom. I actually do see a little bloom in here. Looks like either that or a new leaf actually right here. Super cute. Looking forward to that. This is Thalictrum cotton ball. So pretty. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.